This is how my dog reacts to my grandma coming. Coming. Nope.
He knows your pitter pat. You just hear him slam into the door.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah.
Scared the crap out of me.
He gets excited. Hey, Grandma.
Huh?
I'm recording for YouTube. Don't worry, I'm not showing your face. I'm just showing your legs. Because I'm just recording the dog, basically.
Hi. Okay. It was probably the only day we're going to be able to walk because, it's going to rain in the next
Well,
few days. But it happens.
you don't have your dog, so I was going to say, you could tell her to come over here.
Actually, your dogs are scared of my dog.
Well, I thought about bringing him over here, just to see how they would be because it's not their place.
Right.
Because there's no reason why.
Who's your good baby friend? Are you happy that Grandma's here? You happy that she's here?
It's up to you.
Bye, guys.